The moon is leaving Earth. Yes, you heard that right. Every single year, it moves away from us, slowly but relentlessly. Around 3.8 centimeters every year. About the same speed as your fingernails grow. It sounds small, almost insignificant. But in the cosmic scale, it's a big deal. And the consequences for life on Earth? Absolutely massive. So what happens next? What will Earth look like without the moon? And will it ever completely leave us? Let's start with something simple. How do we even know the moon is moving away? The answer goes back to 1969, when Apollo 11 landed on the moon. Astronauts left behind something unusual, retroreflectors. Basically, mirrors designed to bounce lasers back to Earth. And today, scientists still fire lasers at those mirrors from Earth. By measuring how long it takes for the laser to return, they can calculate the distance with incredible precision. And what they found is undeniable. The moon is gradually drifting away from us. But why is this happening? It's because of the interaction between Earth's rotation and the moon's gravity. The moon's gravity creates tides on Earth, raising and lowering the oceans. But those tides also exert a small pull back on the moon. This friction slows Earth's rotation just a tiny bit, and that lost rotational energy gets transferred to the moon, pushing it a little farther away each year. It's a cosmic trade-off. Earth slows down. The moon drifts away. But what does that mean for the future? Let's fast forward millions of years. Earth's days are getting longer. Right now, a day is about 24 hours. But long ago, it was just 22 hours. In the future, it could be 30, 40, or even 50 hours long. Imagine a world where the sun sets once every 2 Earth days. It would change our entire biological clock. Plants, animals, human life, all would have to adapt to a slower Earth. But that's just the beginning. Tides, the very force behind this drift, would start to weaken. The moon is the main driver of our ocean tides. Without it, tides would shrink to about a third of their current strength. Ocean life that depends on tidal rhythms would be disrupted. Coastal ecosystems could collapse. And without strong tides, heat circulation across the planet would be thrown off balance. That means more extreme weather, more violent storms, possibly even new climate patterns that we can't predict. And then there's Earth's axial tilt. You may not think about it, but Earth's slight 23.5-degree tilt is why we have seasons. Summer, winter, autumn, spring, they exist because of this angle. And the moon plays a critical role in stabilizing that tilt. Without it, Earth would wobble dramatically. Scientists estimate that without the moon, Earth's axis could vary by up to 85 degrees. Imagine the North Pole pointing straight at the sun, then thousands of years later, pointing away. That means unpredictable seasons. Extreme heat followed by extreme cold. Civilizations would struggle to survive such chaos. But will the moon ever actually escape Earth? Interestingly, probably not. You see, this drift can't go on forever. Over time, Earth's rotation will continue to slow, until one day, Earth will be tidally locked to the moon, meaning one side of Earth will always face the moon, just like how the same side of the moon always faces us now. When that happens, the drifting stops. Both bodies lock in a final cosmic balance. But that scenario is billions of years away. And there's something else to consider. The sun. Our sun isn't eternal. In about 5 billion years, it will enter its red giant phase. It will swell enormously, engulfing Mercury, then Venus, and then Earth. Whatever drift remains between Earth and the moon will be erased in a fiery death. A final end to a 4.5 billion-year-old relationship. But until then, the moon continues its slow escape, invisible to us, but constant, unstoppable. And maybe that's what makes it so fascinating. We see the moon nearly every night, a calm, silent presence above our heads. But behind that calm is motion, a cosmic goodbye that's been happening our whole lives and will continue long after we're gone. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember, the moon isn't just there for light or beauty. It's a force of nature, a balancing act, a timekeeper. And it's moving on, slowly, quietly, but definitely. And someday, thousands or millions of years from now, Earth will be a very different place without it. Follow Factcy for more mysteries that shape our world and beyond.